Hi friends, this video shows how to load both detergent powder and liquid detergent in detergent tray. First I am going to open detergent tray. Here we can see 3 compartments: pre-wash, main wash and softener compartments. Here I am going to load detergent powder in this main wash compartment. Then liquid detergent in this pre-wash compartment. I am not going to load anything in softener compartment. Then close the detergent tray. Then open the door of the washing machine, then load the clothes. Okay, done. Then close the door. This is a control panel of the washing machine. First I am going to power on the washing machine. Press this power button. Now washing machine is on. Next I am going to select the wash cycle. We can use this dial to select wash cycle. So I have selected 15 minutes quick wash cycle. Here you can see 15 minutes. Next we can start the washing. Press this start button and start the washing. Okay, washing has started. It will take some time, around 15 minutes. When completes, it would play music. That means washing has completed. Now we can open the door and take the clothes outside.